Start Now Business Consulting Services Limited. We call them the Masters of Prosperity. Kamkama William Sabita, my name is. Today, I'm here to tell you that the business world is too complex. I've seen a number of businessmen, I've seen a number of entrepreneurs jubilating, celebrating, because they think they have reached where they wanted to be. People who are starting businesses normally have goals, normally have intentions. Those who are owning businesses right now, some of them know where they are heading to, others don't know. That's what I can tell you. But I'm here to tell you that it's not yet time to celebrate. I'm here to tell you that your business has not yet reached where it is supposed to be. We have seen people with arcades. We have seen people with shopping malls. We have seen people with castles. But eventually these people come down. Why? They celebrated, they jubilated before reaching where they wanted to be or where they are supposed to be. So make sure that you add much in your business if you want to get much out of it. Add value in that business. Put it at a certain standard where you believe, where you think it cannot come down. Do not celebrate before you reach there. We have seen people starting businesses. We have seen people starting projects. We have seen people starting companies. But because they celebrate, because they jubilate, they want to become bosses before they are bosses, they eventually collapse. They eventually backslide. They eventually come down. It's not yet time to jubilate. It's not yet time to celebrate. It's not yet time to make parties because you have started that small mobile money, because you have started that small project, because you have started that small company. Start Now Business Consulting Services. We deal in human resource trainings. We do business coachings. We organize business and business related seminars and workshops. Uh, we guide people on how to start businesses, how to maintain them, and how to grow them. It's time you start. It's time you start. Thank you very much.